Hi Draw Suga cuties! Today we're going to draw Suga from BTS. So let's get started. To draw Suga, we're going to first start by drawing his face. So I'm just going to draw basically the bottom of a U. And I'm going to make it pretty, a little bit deeper. Because his face is a little bit longer. And connect it. So basically the curve that you want to aim for. And then from there, let's see here, I can bring this up a tiny little bit more. And then from there, we're going to, basically where you stopped right here, where you started right here is where we're going to start to draw the eyes. And we're going to come right here and draw a curve down. So towards the edge. So same thing on this side, so about right there. Towards the edge. So then from there, because Suga's eyes are a little bit smaller than the other BTS members, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, this curve right here. So I'm going to come in here and draw a curve down and back up. So same thing on this side. And up. There. Now let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here very delicately and put two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. So if you're a big BTS fan, thank you for all your requests and enthusiasm for my drawings of them. So I have 3 now, 3 down and how many more to go? Oh my gosh, many more to go. But thank you always for being so enthusiastic about them and encouraging me to draw them. Okay, so I have these eyes in. Let's come to the center, about right here, and let's give him sweet smile and cap it off. And then from there, let's draw his hair. So he has bangs, it's all covering, it's really close to his eyes. So I'm gonna start, let's come to the edge right here and start. And we're gonna aim for the center basically. So let's just zigzag it really close to his eye. However you wanna do this. Sometimes maybe a little bit bigger zigzag. And let's see here, come up. As we come to the center. Then maybe this one right here. Come down. And then we're going to start to go this way. And then let's bring this down in this area. Okay, so then let's come back down here and we're going to bring his hair down pretty low over here. And we're going to start to go up. Okay, so then before we do that, let's come to the center, about, let's say this high. And from there, I'm going to start to go up on both sides. So that's where his hair parts. And let's bring it down. And we're just going to come about right here, zigzag it a little bit more, make it a little bit messy and bring it in. And then you can kind of maybe tuck a little indication of an ear right here. And same thing on this side. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come and draw this ear. So I'm going to give myself a point an indication of that ear. And I'm just going to draw a little earring right here, and kind of long. I'm not really sure what I'm drawing, but I'm just drawing the shape, just so that it looks like an earring. Kind of like a cross, I guess. Okay, so then from there, let's work on his outfit right here. So let's come here and draw the neck right in the center. Before I finish drawing the rest of his body, I wanted to thank you guys for going to my community page and helping me figure out what color to give Suga's hair. I was just having the hardest time because their hair changes color every day, it seems. So thank you so much for going there and voting on his hair color. And so if you haven't been to my community page, please come check it out once in a while. I'll definitely have like maybe behind the scenes sketches and definitely polls because I really need your help and your opinion. So thank you so much again. Okay, so then now let's go back in here and finish off his outfit. And I'm gonna come where his neck was and draw a curve. So this is gonna be the collar. And then right here, let's finish off his collar. I'm gonna come up right here on both sides and angle and connect. So same thing right here, angle and connect. It was also really hard to try to figure out what kind of outfits to give Suga right here. And it seems he likes to wear these long sleeve collar shirts, so hopefully I'm right. So I'm just gonna give it some little detail right there and bring it out. So that's just his collar, and then from there, let's give him his shoulder coming down. Okay, then I'm gonna imagine his armpits about right here on both sides, about right here. And I'm just gonna bring a slight curve down on both sides. Okay, so then let's finish off this side first. So we're gonna just bring down the shirt. It's gonna be pretty low. Let's do a long shirt right here and connect it right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and connect it. And so then on right here, let's finish off his, he's wearing this tank top inside, so it's kind of lopsided because I guess he's showing some skin. And I'm just gonna bring this in right here. This little band right there. And then let's give him a necklace right there. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this one down too. And I'm just gonna end off his shirt right here. So I'll just give it a wobble edge over so I kind of know where to put his arm. So let's work on this arm because it's tucked into his pocket. So I'm gonna bring this down. Start to slant this in. And bring it in. So about right here, connect it. And his very long sleeve right here. And then in here, I'm going to finish off his shirt. Right there. And then just finish capping this part off. And then before we draw his fingers, let's come to the center. So right there, draw an angle line. So this is the start of his pants. And draw his pants coming down on both sides, so right here. Okay, so then let's tuck in the pocket right here. I'm going to draw a curve. Give him his little thumb that he tucks in, and then his fingers. There, so it's just his thumb inside. And so then let's continue his pants. All the way down. And this time I made the proportions a little bit more correct. Okay, so right here, let's come in here, keep going down, and I'm going to give him his pair of jeans. Has a little cuff right here. There, little cuff, and then his shoes. So very simple pair of shoes. Just going to curve it out, straight, and connect it. So same thing on this side. Out. And connect. Okay, so then since we're down here, let's just draw some detail. Just going to come in here with a curve. There for his feet. And then let's come back in here. So he has this pocket on this side. So this side's going to have no indication of pocket. Center line for his jeans. And let's see here. Let's just give him some crease lines on his little tank top right here. And let's draw this sleeve. So I'm just going to bring it right down. About right there, I'll bring it in. And the cuff, so about right there, nice and long, and just a little indication of his thumb and fingers. There. And of course, because he is the Suga, I mean because he is a Draw So Cute Suga, not the Suga, let's come in here and draw a heart. Oh my gosh. Okay, there. That is my version of Suga from BTS. Hope you guys like how it turned out. And be sure to check out my playlist for all my other BTS members. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.